I don't know. I just stopped caring about what anybody said. It wasn't up until I decided, you know what? Screw what anybody has to say. I don't care about anybody's opinion anymore. I'm just gonna go all out.
Mm.
And this is what's holding me back. And it's me worried about other people's opinions. It's costing me a lot of money. It's costing me $10,000 a month.
Mm.
So the question is $10,000 a month worth it for you? Is somebody's opinion worth $10,000 a month to you?
Mm.
Everybody's obviously going to say, of course not.
Mm.
Everybody's going to say that. But that's not true, because everybody's opinion is worth $10,000 to everybody, because they're always afraid of taking action. But when you think about it in that perspective, when you're worried about somebody's opinion, it's
Yeah.
costing you a six-figure income. It's costing you, hell, maybe even a seven-figure income. It might be costing you $100,000 a month. We don't know what could become of you. But when you're so worried about somebody's opinion, you yourself are gonna hold yourself back, because you're like, damn, I don't want so and so to be worried, to criticize me, and I don't want him to tell my other friends and gossip behind my back and tell them this while I'm not around and make fun of me,
Right.
this, that, the other. So when you start worrying about these things, that's gonna hold you back, because that held me back. Because I was so worried about my friends who like to gossip all the time, because that's just the way they were.
Right.
They like to talk. Hey, oh yeah, you see what he's doing? Oh man, he's annoying with that, right?
Mm-hmm.
But when I stopped caring about that, I decided. There was a day specifically, and it was in 2012. I remember in 2012, I think in the summer, I just decided one day, I'm not gonna do this anymore. I don't care anymore. Hey, talk about me all you want. I don't care about anything you have to say.
Mm.
I'm gonna go all out, and I did. And a year and probably about literally a year. I think like around a year flat almost.
Mm.
12 months later, I made a six-figure income, which was,
Wow.
I think that month, I think I made over 10 grand that month.
Wow.
But it took me deciding, I don't care anymore. Screw you. I don't care what you have to say about me.
Mm.
And I just came to the realization that no matter what you do in life, people will always talk about you.